morning class. Today I demonstrate the procedures of watercolor. This is the transparent watercolor. This is related to the basic the grammar of drawing. And this watercolor procedure, this is the Western style also. This is the basic thing of the painting. So first, let's draw anything with or without even figure. The village side, city, hill station, anything. So first, you draw with a normal pencil like this. You draw a hill. You draw a tree. If you like, you put human figure. Either you only draw the hill, tree, and you draw the bushes, etc. After that, when you draw, you don't erase it so much time, and you try to draw with the light line. After that, you start to color from sky. For coloring, you use the number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, number 10 and 12 brushes for watercolor purpose. So first you start to color from sky. You color in the sky. You must use the cobalt blue and cushion blue also. And this is the French ultramarine blue. This is a very useful for coloring the sky. You color the sky like this. Every time for this transparent watercolor, you flow the color. It's called the transparent watercolor. This is the Western painting procedure. You flow the color like this. This is very easy. And this is also a very realistic look. Don't use so much water and don't touch the same place again. Every time you touch one time. For watercolor class, you need the color, brushes and palette, watercolor bowl and a cloth, clean cloth. After that, after finish the coloring the sky, after that you start to color the land. And the same thing, when you color the land and tree, that time you first color the top portion and the top portion yellow. After that you color the light green. And then you color the dark green mixed up with the cushion blue, and both sides is the land. So both portion is the same procedure. Top portion is the yellow because this top portion and this top side, every time the top portion is the light color for sunset, for focusing of the sun. Now you use the yellow color like this. Don't take so much water. You mix little bit of water with color and you flow the color. Every time you try to flow the color. This color flowing is the main thing of this watercolor. It's called the transparent watercolor. The name of the procedure is transparent watercolor. After that, you do the same thing again on this side, but on the land, you try to make some white surface. you don't use the white color, you try to use the white surface every time, and then you use the light green color. Use the light green color like this. This is looking very realistic. Same thing, the tree and the land is the same procedure of coloring. This is for me. I think this side is the same. So this is for student portion. I only finished this side. After that, use the dark green with some little bit of blue on brown or red, any color. Don't use the raw color. Use you must be mixed with a little bit of blue, green or red color with green color. This portion is looking very nice, huh? So it is called the transparent watercolor. This is the basic, the grammar of the painting. This is the realistic drawing. And don't use the same color everywhere. If you like to use the same color, that time you must be change the tone. After that, you color with the log and this portion, the hillside. Both are the same, brown color also, but this portion, this is the village road, so don't use the gray, this is also the brown. So 1, 2, 3 parts is the brown, but when you use the brown color, this portion, or this portion, that time you must be change the tonal difference. This is the light red. Light red means the light brown color, and bantamar is the dark brown color. This is the bantamar, means dark brown. After that, you are able to use with the light brown, light or dark, light red or bantamar, little bit of black or blue color. When you color the tree, this portion is the front side, this portion is the front portion of the side, and this portion the back. So front portion is the light and the back is the dark. So when you color it, that time try to maintain the light and dark. This is the back portion, so this is the dark, this is the not front side of the sun. And the front portion means this side, this is the light. Understand? For if you are able to mix with the blue and the brown color for making the black, don't use only the black because black is so dark. If you need the black color, that time you mix with the brown and blue. Either you mix with the black color, red, green, any color. This is looking a realistic tree, right? So we color only back side and if you use little bit of extra blue, that time you take some brown color and mix up properly. And you know what is this? This is the extra branches. Okay, now this portion is over. So after that, this portion, this land portion was student, and now I colored the I try to color the heel part. The top portion of the heel is the so light, and the lower portion is the dark, because top portion the front of the sun. So every time the top portion is the light, the lower portion is the dark. This is the heel portion is over, and don't do so much extra because this is enough. So now let's start to color there on this portion. But you must be use the paper white like this. Don't use the white color anywhere. You must be use the paper white properly. Understood? This one portion is the white and another portion is the color. But don't use the same brush everywhere. You change the brush. If you have so much so many shapes of brushes. The 2, 4, 6, and this portion also dark. This is the shape, and this portion, this is the very dark area. You know why? Because this is the shape. This is the shape of the tree. So use the brown. This is the brown with the green color. Either you use the blue, red, any color, because this is a very bigger dark area. Okay, and every time this is the front side. This on the front side. The front side is the dark, and this is also the lighter. And this front side, every time use the dark color. After that, make this type of 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. This is the dark line. After finish the coloring, this is looking good or bad? Okay, now your the coloring part is over. So I think everyone able to do the same thing. Everyone understood the procedure of the watercolor, the steps, the color flowing procedure, everything. Thank you, class.